Welcome to the 2022 Automation Fair event. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. This is the best show to find the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is WIN-911. I'm talking with Greg. Tell us about what your company does.
Thanks, Teresa. We appreciate the opportunity. So we provide alarm notification software for industry and infrastructure. So we've been working with Rockwell for a number of years, and we tie into the FactoryTalk alarm and event server to listen for certain alarms or events that are happening that need to be notified to people outside of the plant. Sometimes it's operators roaming around in the plant as well, and so we can notify via email, our smartphone app, we can call people, we can send them a SMS text, or we can announce the alarms in the control room as well. So we're excited to be back in person at Automation Fair and getting everybody up to speed on the latest and greatest of our solution and what we're doing in collaboration with Rockwell.
And WIN-911 is a partner with Rockwell Automation. How does that benefit your customers?
Well, it's been 20 years in the making in terms of our partnership with Rockwell, which is great. And one of the things that is terrific in terms of working with Rockwell is that we collaborate with their product management team. And so we need to access into the FactoryTalk View system, and in particular into the alarm and event server. And so we collaborate to make sure that we can connect in, we can do it in a secure manner, that we are aware of new releases that are coming out so that we can stay in sync. And the customer benefits from all of that work because we take the heavy lifting out of it. So it's a plug-and-play system. We work together to make sure that it's done in a way that makes it as easy and as secure as possible to get a system up and running so that they can take advantage of notifying people when they need to be notified, and Rockwell can stay focused on the core capabilities that they continue to build out in the platform.
That's really powerful. And Stephen, there's a lot of activity at your booth, a lot of interest. Tell me what you're highlighting here at the show.
Well, we're highlighting everything, but mostly focusing on our WIN-911 mobile app, which is an iOS and Android application that allows you to receive your alarms in real time as soon as they occur in your FactoryTalk system. They can just go through WIN-911 and come immediately to your cell phone. So operators can get them quickly and react as soon as possible to save downtime or prevent downtime and save money.
That's great, and there's a lot more you can learn about how this company can help you. So go to the URL on the screen and find out how you might be able to benefit from them. I'm Teresa Hauk at Automation Fair. I'll see you again soon.